हेलो टू एवरीबॉडी। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई थिंक कि मतलब पैनिकेबल होंगे, थोड़े से परेशान, थोड़े से कंफ्यूज्ड, क्योंकि काउंसलिंग का सेशन शुरू होने वाला है। रिजल्ट आ गया है, 6 तारीख को स्कोर कार्ड भी डाउनलोड हो जाएगा। लोगों ने अपनी तैयारियां कर भी ली होंगी, सोच भी लिया है क्या ब्रांच लेनी है, कैसे लेनी है, कितना बजट है। बेसिकली मैं आज आपको जो बताऊंगा वो ये बताऊंगा कैसे हमें काउंसलिंग में प्रोसीड करना है, कैसे हमें अपनी ब्रांचेस चूज करनी है, हाउ टू चूज अवर ब्रांचेस, हाउ टू मोटिवेट टुवर्ड्स एनी कॉलेज, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट विच ब्रांच इज बेटर देन अदर, एंड हाउ टू कैलकुलेट विच are the counselings for the round one that we have started in the month of February. Basically, if we discuss about the first of all for the counseling procedure, we have to learn one thing. On 6th of this month, we get the scorecard. Nearby 12 or 13, we get the notifications, and after 16th, 17th, the round one All India counseling will be started. In All India counseling, MCC, you have to register yourself on mcc.nic.in as a new registration candidate. Afterwards, you have to, when the registration is going on, you have to choose the things. One is All India quota, one is deemed, one is GU, one is central. So you have to opt those candidates for DU. This was Delhi University. Deemed, those colleges who are deemed universities, but they are undertaken by the central government of India, that are called deemed universities. They are especially pure private. For All India, they have the government colleges. And basically, if we discuss about the thing, basically, for central cities, it will come 2 colleges, AMU and BHU. There is one more option for the AFMC also. One more option. So basically, those candidates who are eligible in NEET, they are applying in each and every part of the counseling. There is no issue. But we will tell you one thing. Those candidates who are interested to take the clinical seat in government colleges, up to the 14,000 or 15,000 rank, they will get the clinical seats. Till paraclinical, 22,000 rank. Otherwise, there is not too much effect for the clinical and paraclinical in the government for the All India quota. Basically, the top most branches get closed by 10,000 to 11,000 rank. Most of the colleges, basically, there is one dilemma is going on between all the candidates are there. Which branch is better? And which college is better? How to choose branch? Basically, you have to see the so many prospects according when you're choosing the branch. For if you are choosing medicine, then you have to see what are the prospect, positive, negative point of medicine. What was the outcome after you are completing your degree? What are the super specialties belong to that branch? Yeah, if you want to go to the end branch. If you go for the general surgery, you have to take for the MCH. For orthopedic, you also have a chance to go for the upper hand. So you have to decide so many factors regarding this. Then you have to choose your branch. Basically, if you want to choose your branch, you have to choose the college also. Those colleges who have good OPD, good infrastructure, good equipments, with full flash, you have to go with that colleges. If you are having a good capacity, paying capacity, and you have spent a good amount, then you have to opt for the deemed. There are some excellent and good deemed colleges are there, where you can go and approach for the admissions by the counseling procedure only. There is only one procedure for counseling, that is counseling. And one more thing, it depends. Basically, in deemed universities for clinical branch, you will get the seat up to 50,000 to 60,000 rank in All India for each and every branch, but it's matter on the fees and stipend and all. There are so many factors when you are going to choose your college. So it's better you can hire any counselor or take any advice from other persons, those who know each and everything about the counseling procedure conducted in India. First of all. Second, for the non-clinical branch, if you are interested in the non-clinical branch, then you can apply for the government seat for the sure, because for the high rank also you get the non-clinical branch for sure. It doesn't mean that there is no future of non-clinical branch. There are so many branches are there, they have a good future, like forensic, pharmacology, micro, biochemistry. There are so many. First of all, you have to choose some different branches also and get to know about that branches also, like community medicine, family medicine, nuclear medicine, radiotherapy. You have to get so many things. And you also first know what is the difference between the diploma seats and radio seats. What are the consequences for all the seats? You have to consider then all things. Then you have to choose your branch, because it's too necessary that which branch is more important to you. What are the steps you can get? If you will not get the seat in the round one, it doesn't mean you lose the year. There is the option in the straight rounds. There is the option in the round two. There is the option in the mop-up also. If you are capable for private, you go for the capable for private also. But always trying to go on that place where the fees are less. Is not take that amount that can bother you. You go for that thing. Don't make the extra burden on yourself. हमेशा उस जगह जाइए जो आपके लिए इजी हो. Basically, for those candidates who have scored the rank more than 12 or 13,000, they have to go for the private or deemed colleges for their desired branches. For the private colleges, state government fees start from 8 lakh to 35-40 lakhs in UP, is including UP, Uttar Pradesh. And for deemed universities, the fees start from 20 lakh to 45-50 lakh. For the last rank colleges, they are getting in the South India. And you also have to study the complete thing, which college is better than which college. It's also most important thing. And when you are going for the choice filling, then you have to make some options with the colleges also and with the branches also, in which you have to choose कि आपको क्या ऊपर रखना है और क्या नीचे रखना है. उसके बाद अगर if we will not get in the round one, then we go for the state round. State round में नहीं मिला, then we go for the deemed नहीं मिला, then we go to private. There are so many options are there. Rule: round one is the free exit round. If you get any seat, you can go for the upgradation also. If you wanna, you can surrender that seat also for the round one. For round two, if you get the allotment, then you have to refuse the allotment and you are out from the All India Counselling, but not from the deemed counselling or state counsellings. If you get allotted the seat, you go and join that seat. It means you surrender your chances for the next counselling also. For that, you have to register again, and that registration fees you have to pay again to the government for the re-registration. There is one more round, that was the stray vacancy round. In that round, all the NRICs gets converted into the normal quota seats for the deemed and private also. But if you are ready to spend 40, 50, 60 lakh yearly, then you have to take a chance for the NRI seats in some of the states like Rajasthan, like Andhra, like Telangana. You can go there and get the seat there also. There's one more dilemma is going between the all the diploma seats, it gets converted into the MSMD seats or not. Basically, it depends on the time to time. Only Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh, one college is ready to convert their seats. There are so many states get approached day by day. First of all, nearby 900 to 1000 clinical seats get increased this year. Might be. There are the chances. It not yet be declared by the Medical Council of India till now. That it will be updated soon. And in the last notice, NB issue the list of the candidates. Those are get from the at which state how many candidates can appear. They already released one list. So on that basis, you can also see कि क्या-क्या चीजें हैं. Basically, you have to cross check all the cut off for the last 2 to 3 years. एक साल के बैक कट ऑफ देखने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to follow to 2 to 3 year cut off basically. Then उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको अरेंज करना है चीजें. If you need a counselor and you need the proper things, then you have to register yourself with the any counselor. Basically, अगर आप join with us also, you can join. We are offering the paid services because you can avail the services and get the college with your desired branch. Basically, what are the services counselors can provide you? First of all, they will help you how to choose the branch. Second, they will help you how to choose the college with the specific branch. Then how to take part in the counseling step by step. Then how to make the counseling sessions for state to states. What are the documents required for the counseling things? Basically, those candidates who are NRI sponsored, what are the documents they need for the NRI sponsored? And what are the other forms that you can opt for the counseling session? There are so many options where you can go and choose the options like this. So basically, those candidates who are interested to register with us, they can call us on 9690796426. All details going on my scroll also. Go and check it out there. 9690796426. We will provide you the online assistance in complete India for NEET-PG counseling session. It is the detail for round 1 counseling completely. कैसे राउंड 1 काउंसलिंग चलेगी फॉर कंप्लीट इंडिया के लिए. व्हेन द राउंड 1 काउंसलिंग गेट क्लोज, देन द स्टेट काउंसलिंग विल बी स्टार्टेड फॉर द प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. It start by slowly. First, some UP starts, then Bihar government starts, Punjab starts. There are open states also where you can go and opt the seats. There is no admission can be done directly in the colleges. At the end of the day, when the NRI seats get converted into the normal seat, then the admission is possible in the colleges. There is no other way or there is no other means available where you get the admissions directly to the colleges. So you have to go by the counseling process. If you have to register in each and every counseling. Don't think if you get 5,000 or 50,000 rank, you don't have to choose the register in the counseling. No, it doesn't matter. You have to choose. Basically जो डायलामे की पोजीशन है वो कैंडिडेट जो 6,000 से 10,000 के बीच है उनके लिए ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग पोजीशन है. वो चीजों को सोच समझ के ब्रांचेस चूज करें. देखें गवर्नमेंट के लिए क्या है कैसे है. पहले गवर्नमेंट ट्राई कीजिए, फिर लेस फीस वाले प्राइवेट ट्राई कीजिए, देन यू गो फॉर द हाई फीस कॉलेजेस. डीम में भी लेस फीस के कॉलेजेस है, यू गो फॉर. अगर आपको कोई डिजायर्ड ब्रांच है मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, देन यू गो फॉर. अब उस हिसाब से भी जाके चीजों को देख सकते हैं. सो जिन लोगों को काउंसलिंग की हेल्प हो या जो चीजें हेल्प लेना चाहें, देखिए रजिस्टर विद अस ऑन माय नंबर 9690796426. आप मुझे एसएमएस करें, व्हाट्सएप करें, कॉल करें. विल प्रोवाइड यू द प्रॉपर हेल्प डिटेल्स इन व्हाट्सएप. वी विल रिवर्ट यू एट नाइट. हर रात हम व्हाट्सएप के डिटेल्स को जितने व्हाट्सएप होते हैं उनको हम रिवर्ट करते हैं. सो प्लीज बी कैरी ऑन एंड वी आल्सो फॉलो द कैंडिडेट दोज हैव फेसिंग एनी इश्यूज और प्रॉब्लम. सो go like this and bye bye, take care, and we will meet you soon in our next video. So bye bye, take care, bye bye.